We use different techniques in the office so it gleans me different information so that I can be the best chiropractor I can be for my patients. And my goal is always to get you in as a patient, to do the things that we do. And our primary goal always at Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center is to get you well and keep you well with a lifetime of care and service and always guide you in the right direction. In the meantime, this is Dr. Jeff Colbert from Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center, where literally, I hope you can just see, we are the leader in alternative health care and your health is always in our hands.